driving in Colombo traffic versus compared to driving. Ooh, why? Versus compared to driving outstation. All different ball game. You would normally think driving in Colombo is risky, but again, driving outstation is also risky because you have to deal with all these long vehicles that come there, and they also speed because they, get into all these exports, imports. So all these lorries and trucks, they come from the eastern side, obviously cargo. Ooh. There's green light in front, but it's not at the wrong time.